Hi, I'm Kevin Hardy, former All-Pro linebacker for the Jacksonville Jaguars, along with future All-Pro linebacker Miles Jack, and P&G Sweepstakes You Make the Pick winner Michael Garcia.
With the 103rd pick of the 2016 NFL Draft, the Jacksonville Jaguars select Sheldon, defensive tackle, Notre Dame.
Woo!
Oh, a little Ric Flair woo. How about it, Maurice Jones-Drew? Why don't you help us out here with the selection? You happy with defensive tackle Sheldon Day of Notre Dame to your Jacksonville Jaguars?
Sheldon Day's a guy that's going to come in right away, add depth to that defensive line. You see the Jaguars are going defense. We talked about this throughout the whole process. Defense and offensive line they want to address. You get I want to say a 3-year starter at Notre Dame, a guy that can penetrate, play the run really well. I'm excited what the Jags are doing.
Defense. Coach Gus Bradley, just looking at that Seattle recipe. You win on defensive games, run the ball, don't put Blake in so many opportunities, force him to throw interceptions. They're getting away from that. But this defense, man, just this draft pick, looking back from last year, they're going to be scary to play.
Hey, the Jags defense is going to be just like the guy I'm about to throw to.
Who?
Money.
Oh, I like it.
Money.